Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Slack for Twilio notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Slack app. Log into your Slack workspace using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, search for Twilio in the search bar. Select the Twilio app from the search results. Click on the Install button to add the Twilio app to your workspace. After installation, you'll be redirected to the Twilio app configuration page. Here, you'll see an option to connect your Twilio account. Click on Connect Twilio Account. You will be prompted to enter your Twilio account SID and auth token. Log into your Twilio account in a separate tab to retrieve these credentials. Copy your account SID from the Twilio console. Paste it into the corresponding field in Slack. Next, return to your Twilio console to get your auth token. Copy your auth token. Paste the auth token into the designated field in Slack. After entering both credentials, click on the Authorize button. Once authorized, you should see a confirmation message indicating successful connection. You can now set up your notification preferences within Slack. Test your Twilio notifications by sending a test message. Verify that you received the message in your selected Slack channel. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Slack for Twilio notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.